One of my viewers mentioned that he prefers a sleeve dipole constructed from RG316 coax in a flat top configuration. Though it is unfed, it has a low impedance and it has no weight in the center of the antenna. That looks very exciting. He also uses a common mode choke using the same RG316 made by winding 9 turns on an FT11431 toroid at the point where he wants the shield to stop being part of the antenna. Then there is an SO239 at the end of a 6-inch tail. When I checked Radio Hub by VU3YDA, it is available at 110 INR per meter as on 21/11/2025. That means 2200 INR for a 20 meter long 40 meter antenna. I am on the lookout for a write-up on the design of the sleeve dipole antenna, as I am tempted to try it out. If any one of you have tried it, please post a link to the construction details so that I can purchase the coax and go ahead. For those who are not familiar with RG316, I am adding details of my previous post on RG316, which I bought for making a common mode choke. RG316 is a small diameter coaxial cable with silver covered copper clad steel stranded inner conductor. That means the innermost layer is steel providing strength, followed by copper clad next layer. Surface of the wire strands are covered with silver for better conductivity. Typically 7 strands of 0.0067 inch diameter wire forms the inner conductor. Dielectric layer is made of solid PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, which provides good electrical insulation and has a wide operating temperature. Shield is made of silver plated copper braid. The outermost protective sheath is made of fluorinated ethylene propylene FEP. Nominal impedance is 50 ohms and the outer diameter is 0.1020 inch, while the inner conductor diameter is 0.0201 inch. It is quite tiny to deal with. With a very careful cut using the wire stripper, I have been able to remove the protective sheath. Now I have taken out the piece of protective sheath and twisted the shield so that I can solder it to a connector. And now you can see the dielectric inside. This is the dielectric. I'll have to remove that to bear the inner conductor at the end. Similarly, using the wire stripper once again, very carefully I have removed the dielectric coating also. This is the dielectric piece. This is the external protective sheath or jacket. And now you can see the inner wires. There should be 7 of them. Very, very fine wires. I'll try to zoom it out. Those are silver covered. They are really steel wires for being very sturdy, and then there will be a coating of, or rather copper clad steel wires with external silver coating that you can see very well. Here also, this one also there is silver coating. Here also there is silver coating. So silver is the metal with probably the highest conductivity. That's why silver is used. So this video is to introduce this cable, that is RG316 cable, and you have to deal with it very carefully. My next step will be to use this cable to wind a choke